Welcome all. In this video, we are going to discuss ARM design philosophy. The ARM instruction set architecture reflects a RISC-style architecture, but it has some CISC-style features. Let us check which features of ARM processor are RISC-style. First one is all instructions have fixed length of 32 bits. Only load store instructions can access to the memory. And all arithmetic and logic instructions operate on operands in a processor register. So these are some features of ARM processor which is similar to the RISC processor. Similarly, let us check which aspects of ARM processor are CISC-style aspect. First one is auto increment, auto decrement, and program counter relative addressing modes are provided in an ARM processor. Condition codes, which are also called as a conditional flags, such as negative flag, zero flag, carry flag, overflow flag, are used for branching and for conditional execution of instructions. In ARM processor, multiple registers can be loaded from a block of consecutive memory words or stored in a block using single instruction. Let us check rules of ARM design philosophy. First one is reduce power consumption. Portable embedded systems require some form of battery power. The ARM processor has been specifically designed to be small to reduce power consumption and extend the battery operation essential for the applications, such as mobile phones and personal digital assistant. Next design rule is high code density. This is major requirement since embedded systems have limited memory due to either cost or physical restrictions. High code density is useful for the applications that have limited onboard memory such as mobile phones and mass storage devices. Next design rule is hardware debug technology. ARM has incorporated hardware debug technology within the processor so that software engineers can view what is happening while processor is executing the code. With greater visibility, software engineers can resolve the issues faster. The last and important design rule is reduce the area of die taken up by the processor. For a single chip solution, the smaller the area used by the processor, more the space available for a specialized peripherals. This in turn reduces the cost of design and manufacturing since fewer discrete chips are required for the end product. So this is about the ARM design philosophy. Thank you for watching the video.